Reviews. So when I first started, it was a long time ago, I used to leave my own reviews on my own product from my buyer account, and they stuck, and it was like amazing. It's like whenever I launched a new item, I was like, oh, I'm gonna obviously leave myself a review. It's a new item, and they all stuck. It was great. And then after that, you couldn't really do that anymore. But then there was like an amazing tool, AMZ Tracker, where you would just put like coupon codes in, like just make 100 coupon codes, just give it away to everybody, and they would leave you reviews. And they were verified reviews. It was awesome. You could kickstart listings so strong. And then they said, you can still do it, but you have to put a disclaimer. We received this review. We received a discount on this product in exchange for an honest review. Okay. And then they said, you're not allowed to give discounts. You're not allowed to give people discounts on products to get a review. And I was like, this was years ago. And I'm thinking like, wow, I don't know how I'm going to ever launch a new product. Like Amazon's over. Like there's no way we can get product. But like the truth is we have the Vine program, which is unbelievable. A lot of people don't like Vine. I love Vine. I like to enroll very, very cheap so that, because even though the Vine reviewer is reviewing the product for, they're getting it for free, but they're still giving the review based on the value that the person that's shopping is getting. So like I launched a headphone at $25 and got like all 4-star reviews, and 4-star reviews, we don't want that. And then we relaunched it like a version 2.0, and we put it at $10 and it just got all 5-star reviews. And then we start increasing the price. Like it all goes together. I don't like buying reviews. I've been doing it for so long. I've seen, like my mentors gotten kicked off. People that did over 100 million a year get kicked off. Amazon, they don't give a shit. If your spot gets taken off, it's not like less people are searching for your product. The same amount of people are searching. It's just that the guy underneath you goes up. So like they don't care. They do not care. They're not losing business. So yeah, I love, and the truth is with reviews, it's really very, very risky in my opinion, because you're buying reviews from somebody and they might stick. But then what happens is, it doesn't happen automatically, but like once Amazon's bots do like a sweep of the site, they'll see, oh, this guy, bought reviews, they freeze the account, they freeze the funds. All of a sudden you have hundreds of thousands of dollars frozen in the balance, and you have millions of dollars in inventory, and they say, if you want your account back, give us, apologize, say you're not gonna do it again, and give us a list of the reviews. And like, you're an idiot if you don't give them a list of the reviews and say you're sorry and you're not gonna do it again. So like, you want your money, you want your account back. You're not gonna fight with them, they're not stupid, they caught you. So like, you admit guilt, I'm sorry, I'm never gonna do it again, here's what I did. And now they see all these reviewers, what else did they review? And it's like somebody's wearing a wire. It's just like it's not a good thing. And with Vine these days, there's a lot of ways people play around with it with different SKUs, launching multiple SKUs and then combining, and there's just a lot of things you could do that are much, much safer than buying reviews. So that's my take on reviews. Negative reviews are horrible. You get one bad review, a 1-star review, you need like 10 good ones to fix it. It's like the worst thing, and especially if you get it during a launch, it's like the launch is gone. Like it's the worst thing in the world. So what I like to do is I like insert cards, not asking for positive reviews, but just offering support to the customer. Hey, if there's any problem, please reach out. Scan this QR code, it'll send us an email, and just take care of them. Like when you buy a regular product, it has that also. Just like, here's our support number, here's our support line. It's been amazing. I could show you listings. I didn't put it over here, but like I have listings that I've done it where if you look at all the reviews, it's like, seller was amazing to work with. I ordered the wrong size and the seller took care of me. Customer service is amazing. Like all those, like there's maybe 20 reviews, 5-star reviews on the listing, and they all would have been 1-star reviews. They were angry customers, and we koshered it. We just made it like, we made them so happy that they left us 5-star reviews. So I'm a big believer in that. Customer service. I like to, very strange, I like to collect insert cards that I like. If I see like certain things, I just save them. Just like, the guy puts it on his box. In the middle over here, the white one is Real Essentials. That's, huge. Zule Kitchen. I don't know. You just see people's insert cards. You get ideas. If there's any problems, reach out. And then when they reach out, take care of them. If they're going to reach out to Amazon, they're going to get a refund. They're going to leave you a bad review. Amazon's going to see you get a ding on the, like, it's a no-brainer to, I don't recommend asking for reviews on a card, but prevent bad reviews. It's so strong. And you have Vine to get a lot of good reviews. You have an insert card to prevent bad reviews. Like there's no reason that you shouldn't be able to maintain a good review average if you have a normal product that's not like defective.